This one is a string light 5 meters long with 10 bolts. Together with a remote could control your light flashing and steady. So I will show you guys this type of string light. This is a adapter, could change the high voltage to a lower voltage, and this is a LED control box. Together with this remote, we could control this light. Okay, I will show you how to use it and how it looks like. Okay, I've connected the power and I've got this remote control. This one is the off button and this one is the on button. Let's turn on the light, and RGB we could change red, green, blue, and two kinds of white light. One is the cold white, one is the warm white, and also we could this kind of color could change the color, different color. So you just press the button and the light could change, right? Also we could change the flashing model, right? This one is called, let's see it. Yeah, strobe, fade, twinkle, breath, yeah. Also tracer, random, RGB flash, voice, yeah. So you could control this light with your voice. It's very convenient, right? So if you are interested in this type of string light, please contact me, okay?